Welcome to Easy Click Learning. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to count unique items in Excel using just one powerful formula, COUNTIF combined with the spill range feature. No filters, no pivot tables, just clean, dynamic Excel magic that updates automatically. Okay, let's dive in. Imagine you're managing a coffee shop and you're tracking customer orders in Excel. In column A, you have customer names, and in column B, the drinks they ordered, like espresso, latte, cappuccino, and more. Now you're wondering, how many customers ordered each type of drink? Instead of manually filtering or counting, let's use some Excel magic to make this automatic and error-free. First, generate a unique list of drink types. In a new column, say column D, click an empty cell and enter this formula. Type equals unique. Then press Tab to auto-complete the function. Now, select the range B2 to be 100. This is where all the drink orders are listed. Just select the B2 cell and press Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow. As soon as you hit Enter, Excel will instantly spill out a list of unique drink names. No duplicates. Now that we have our unique list of drinks, let's count how many times each one was ordered. In column E, right next to the unique drink names, enter this formula. Start by typing equals COUNTIF. Then press Tab to insert the function. Select the full range of drink orders, B2 to be 100. Type a comma. Then refer to the spill range by selecting D2 hash. Close the parentheses. The D2 hashtag refers to the spill range, all the unique drink names returned by the unique functions starting at cell D2. The COUNTIF function then scans through the drink list and counts how many times each unique drink appears. Finally, hit Enter. And just like that, you've created a dynamic count that updates automatically whenever your data changes. And that's it. You've just created a live, automatic counter of unique items in Excel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more smart Excel tips every week. Got a data challenge? Drop it in the comments. Your problem could be our next tutorial.